Standard 10th History, Chapter 4, The World After World War II. Introduction. A new era began after the Second World War. The Second World War played a big part in communist revolution in China. The emergence of the US and the USSR as superpowers. It resulted in the division of the world into two blocks. A Cold War situation triggered deadly conflicts in Korea, Cuba, Vietnam, and West Asia. Under the Marshall Plan, the reconstruction of the war in Europe, the US won the trust of the great powers in Europe. The non-alignment movement played a role in the conflict between the two power blocs. European countries started the European movement in the form of Council of Europe, the European Common Market, and finally into what is today the European Union. Chinese Revolution. Chinese civilization was more advanced than that of Europe. The Manchus had governed China since about 1650. The Manchus administration system was in the hands of a bureaucracy of scholar officials called mandarins. The mass of the peasant population was in poverty, suffered from high rents, high taxes, shortage of land. There was very little industry, few railways, and engineering works had been built. The political and economic system resulted in a number of peasant uprisings. The first uprising was the Taiping Rebellion. It was a major rebellion. The next, the two Opium Wars. The first Opium War was conducted in 1832 and the second Opium War in 1848 it took place. In both the wars, China was defeated and was compelled to open its ports to Western powers. In 1898, the young emperor initiated a series of reforms known as the 100 Days of Reforms. The young emperor initiated a series of reforms known as the 100 Days of Reform. But opposition from the powerful conservatives and Dowager Emperor Susi. Opposition was there from the powerful people and Dowager Emperor Susi. She imprisoned the emperor and reversed the reforms. The Chinese Revolution in 1911. The Manchu dynasty was disintegrated, was splitted. The new emperor was 2 years old. The provincial governors began to assert their independence. The local army mutinied and the revolt spread. The provisional governors proclaimed their independence. Dr. Sun Yat-sen was one among them. On hearing the news of the rising in a newspaper in the United States, Sun Yat-sen arrived in Shanghai and was immediately elected provisional president of the new Chinese Republic. Yuan Shikai. And after the unity of China under Yuan Shikai lasted for 4 years. With his death in 1916, a new president was appointed for next 12 years. Communist Party of China. After the Russian Revolution of 1917, the ideas of Karl Marx and Lenin became popular. In 1918, a Society for the Study of Marxism was formed in Peking University. Among the students who attended was Mao Zedong. After the death of Sun Yat-sen, the Kuomintang party was under the leadership of Chiang Kai-shek. After the death of Sun Yat-sen, the Kuomintang party was under the leadership of Chiang Kai-shek. Chiang removed all of them from the important positions in the party. At the same time, the Communist Party was under Mao Zedong and Zhou Enlai. Mao Zedong and Zhou Enlai, they belong to Communist Party. Communists worked or represented only for the workers and peasants. But Chiang Kai-shek and the Kuomintang party represented the landlords and the capitalists. In 1928, Kuomintang, the Chiang Kai-shek, he was successful in capturing Peking or Beijing. Once again, there was a central government in China. Mao as organizer of peasants. He was the organizer of peasants. Mao, Communist Party, understood that Kuomintang had a grip on the towns. Mao, the Communist Party, understood that the Kuomintang had grip on the towns. A few hundred communists, led by Mao, retreated into the wild mountains. They stayed there for 7 years. As the army of Mao was gradually growing, the Kuomintang was unable to enter into the mountains. The Long March, 1934. Chiang Kai-shek had built posts around the communist position. By 1933, Mao had gained full control of Chinese Communist Party. Mao gained the control over the Chinese Communist Party. In 1934, the Communist army of about 1 lakh people set out on the Long March. Of the 1 lakh who set out, only 20,000 finally reached northern Shenyi in the year 1935. In 1934 they started and reached in 1935 after crossing nearly 6,000 miles. 1 lakh people set out and 20,000 only finally reached northern Shenyi late in the year 1935 after crossing nearly 6,000 miles. By 1937, Mao had become the leader of over 10 million people. Japanese aggression in China. Japan occupied North Chinese province, that is Manchuria. Japan occupied North Chinese province, that is Manchuria. Mao believed that Chiang Kai-shek and Kuomintang hold together to fight against the Japanese. That is Communist and Kuomintang party to join together to fight against the Japanese. Communist victory. The surrender of Japanese. The surrender of Japanese. The Kuomintang and the communists sought to occupy the Japanese area. Kuomintang and communists thought to occupy Japanese areas, but Kuomintang was successful. Peking was soon controlled by Chiang Kai-shek's forces. So Kuomintang was successful and Peking was under the control of Chiang Kai-shek forces. With the massive support provided by USA, Kuomintang government controlled the administration, ports and communication system. Mao was keen on obtaining the support of the middle class. He declared that what the communists wanted, the rule of the people. National People's Congress. In September 1949, the People's Political Consultative Conference met in Peking. The People Political Consultative Conference met in Peking. The establishment of the People's Republic of China under the leadership of Mao Zedong was a world-shaking event. There were two mighty communist powers in the world. Number one, the Soviet Union, we call it as USSR. Number two, People's Republic of China. Denial of UNO membership. The United States refused to recognize the People's Republic of China. The United States refused to accept the People's Republic of China for more than 2 decades. Cold War, a war between the US and the Soviet Union. Truman's policy. Truman was the president of USA. He followed a policy to control communism. Truman followed a policy to control communism. The Soviet wanted to maintain control of Eastern Europe to spread communism worldwide. Soviet wanted to spread communism, but USA wanted to control communism. Marshall Plan. The US conceived the Marshall Plan. The US conceived the Marshall Plan. According to this plan, they thought to help the countries of Europe with American dollars to facilitate their recovery from the destruction caused by the Second World War. American dollars to facilitate their recovery from the destruction caused by the Second World War. NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. The US and the Europe formed North Atlantic Treaty Organization to stop Soviet aggression in Europe. US and European Alliance formed North Atlantic Treaty Organization to stop Soviet aggression in Europe. It was an interstate military alliance between the countries of North America and Europe. The member countries Canada, Belgium, Denmark, France, Iceland, Italy, Luxembourg, Netherlands, Norway, Portugal and United Kingdom. Later, Greece and Turkey joined in NATO. Germany joined in 1955. The chief aim of the NATO was to maintain peace and security in North Atlantic region. SEATO, Southeast Asian Treaty Organization or Manila Pact. It was organized for the collective security of countries in Southeast Asia, to collect all the Southeast Asian countries and to give security. The US The member countries are US, France, England, New Zealand, Australia, the Philippines, Thailand, and Pakistan. Members of the CETO were committed to prevent communism from gaining ground in the region. Warsaw Pact. Soviet Union organized the Warsaw Pact. Soviet Union organized the Warsaw Pact, a united military action under the Warsaw Pact. 8 European countries, Albania, Bulgaria, Hungary, Czechoslovakia, East Germany, Poland, Romania, and Russia, they concluded the treaty on May 14, 1955. This is known as Warsaw Pact. The Warsaw Pact was dissolved in 1991. CENTO or Baghdad Pact. In 1955, Turkey, Iraq, Great Britain, Pakistan, and Iran signed a pact known as Baghdad Pact. In 1958, the United States joined the organization, and later it came to be known as Central Treaty Organization. It was dissolved in 1979. Korean War. Korea was divided into North Korea and South Korea. Korea was divided into North Korea and South Korea. Each side sought to win by unifying the country. They wanted to unite the country. The president of North Korea was Kim Il-sung. The president of North Korea was Kim Il-sung, People's Republic of Korea. The president of South Korea was Syngman Rhee. The president of South Korea was Syngman Rhee, the Republic of Korea. Both Kim and Stalin did not expect the US to intervene. Kim and Stalin did not expect the US to intervene. The war lasted for 3 years. But the Korean people gained nothing. Third world countries. The capitalist countries led by US, designed as the first world countries. The communist states led by Soviet Union came to be known as second world countries. The states outside these two were called as third world countries. Non-aligned movement. The non-aligned movement emerged at the Bandung Conference in 1955. The non-aligned movement was started 1955 at the Bandung Conference to wake up the decolonization that followed after Second World War. The newly independent countries of Asia and Africa gave a call to this. To join, the newly independent countries of Asia and Africa gave a call to join in any of the two superpowers. Any of the two superpowers means USA or USSR. Non-aligned movement held its first conference at Belgrade in 1961 under the leadership of Tito. Yugoslavia, he belonged to Yugoslavia. Nasser belonged to Egypt. Jawaharlal Nehru belonged to India. Nkrumah belonged to Ghana. Sukarno belonged to Indonesia. Under the leadership, non-alignment conference was held at Belgrade. The basic principles of non-alignment is peaceful coexistence, commitment to peace and security, no military alliance with any superpowers, no permission for any superpower to build its military base in its territories. Cuban Revolution. The United States has its satellite states in Central America. The United States has its satellite states in Central America. These states were governed by ruling groups made up of military personnel, landed gentry, and local capitalists. All the three groups were ruling. After Castro took power, the US owned oil refineries on the island refused to process Russian oil. They refused to process Russian oil, US. Castro nationalized them. So US retaliated. So US bought an end to Cuba sugar. Castro nationalized the US owned sugar companies. Castro nationalized the US owned sugar companies and ended the US monopolies in electricity and telephones. This threatened American economic interest. Cuban Missile Crisis. In April 1961, while landing an army of Cuban exiles on the island of Bay of Pigs, an island called Bay of Pigs, army of Cuban was landing. The US bombed Cuban airfields to overthrow Castro's reign. US bombed Cuban airfields to overthrow Castro's reign. US warships surrounded Cuba. The Kennedy government had received that USSR was secretly installing nuclear missiles in Cuba. So US understood that USSR was secretly installing nuclear missiles in Cuba. The Soviet President Khrushchev agreed to withdraw the missiles, and thus the missile crisis was diffused. The two sides, US and USSR, reached an agreement. The Soviet Union removed the missiles from Cuba on an understanding that the US would never invade Cuba again. Arab-Israeli War. The Treaty of Versailles was drawn in 1919. According to the treaty, they provided order in Turkish Arab Empire. France was given the order for Syria and Lebanon, and Britain for Iraq, Palestine, and Jordan. France was given the order for Syria and Lebanon, Britain for Iraq, Palestine, and Jordan. The Arabs had expected independence at the end of the World War I. After the Treaty of Versailles, Arabs expected independence at the end of World War I. Britain's promise to Zionist leaders that it would allocate one of the Arab lands, Palestine, to Jewish settlers from Europe. British promised that Arab lands, Palestine, to Jewish settlers from Europe. There arose antagonism towards Zionist settlers. There arose anger towards the Zionist settlers. At the end of October 1945, the Jewish Underground Organization began to launch terror attacks on a large scale. Railways, bridges, airfields, and government offices were blown up. The British government presented the dispute to the UN for a decision. The UN resolved to partition the British power of Palestine into a Jewish state and an Arab state. The US partitioned the British order of Palestine into a Jewish state and an Arab state. Divided into two, one was Jewish and another one was Arab state. Clashes broke out immediately after Clashes broke out immediately between Jews and Arabs in Palestine. The Israelis won control of the main road to Jerusalem. and successfully repeated Arab attacks. A temporary frontier was fixed between Israel and its neighbors. In Israel, the war is remembered as the War of Independence. It is treated as Nakba, as a large number of Arabs became refugees. Suez Canal crisis. In Egypt, Colonel Nasser became its president in the year 1952. In Egypt, Colonel Nasser became its president. He nationalized the Suez Canal. Colonel Nasser nationalized the Suez Canal. Nationalized means made it as an international. Britain and France decided to use force. When Colonel Nasser nationalized the Suez Canal, Britain and France decided to use force. Israel saw this opportunity to open Gulf of Aqaba to put a stop to Egyptian border raids. Israel forces invaded Egypt. Israel forces invaded Egypt. Britain used this opportunity to demand or to protect the canal. Britain used this opportunity to protect the canal. Egypt refused. Britain and France bombed Egyptian airfields and other installations as well as the Suez Canal area. Under pressure of the world opinion, Britain and France ended hostilities on 6th November. Under pressure of the world opinion, Britain and France stopped the war on 6th November. Suez Canal crisis. Arab-Israeli war in the year 1967. The formation of Palestinian Liberation Organization, we call it as PLO, Palestinian Liberation Organization. Israel was attacked frequently by Palestinian guerrilla groups. Israel was attacked by Palestinian guerrilla groups. They were in Syria, Lebanon and Jordan. In November 1966, Israel attacked strike on the village of Al Samu in the Jordanian West Bank. 18 dead and 54 wounded. Israel's air battle with Syria in April 1967 ended in the shooting down 6 Syrian MiG fighter jets. Egypt supported Syria. Nasser moved Egyptian forces in the Sinai, seeking the removal of UN emergency forces. King Hussein of Jordan signed a mutual defense pact with Egypt. Israel's offensive. Following the movement of Arab states by Nasser, following the mobilization of Arab states by Nasser, Israel staged a sudden airstrike that destroyed more than 90% of Egypt's air force. Israel staged a sudden airstrike that destroyed more than 90% of Egypt's air force. Within 3 days, the Israel had achieved a victory on the ground, capturing Gaza Strip and all of the Sinai Peninsula up to the east bank of Suez Canal. So within 3 days, Israel has achieved a lot. Arab-Israeli War in 1973. Third War. Egypt and Syria. Egypt and Syria. Under the President Anwar Sadat and Hafez al-Assad. Hafez al-Assad. Both of them concluded a secret agreement in January 1973. Sadat offered the Israelis a peace deal to withdraw from Sinai. Israel rejected. Egypt and Syria launched a surprise attack or a sudden attack on the Yom Kippur. It's a religious holiday. Israel suffered heavy casualties It finally pushed back the Arab forces. Arabs gained nothing out of this war. Vietnam War. Viet Minh. Viet Minh means an organization. By the end of the Second World War, Viet Minh controlled northern half of Vietnam. Viet Minh controlled northern half of Vietnam. It was led by Ho Chi Minh. He was the leader of the northern Vietnam. Later, Viet Minh occupied the southern half of Vietnam. So, Ho Chi Minh occupied both with the organization called Viet Minh. But northern Vietnam was controlled by the Chinese and southern Vietnam was controlled by the British. North was in the hands of the Chinese and south was in the hands of the British. Ho Chi Minh established his power to withdraw. Ho Chi Minh established his power to throw British and Chinese. In 1946, the British and Chinese had to withdraw, leaving the French behind. Both withdrew and French was there in Vietnam. The two governments, French and Vietnam, reached an agreement. According to that agreement, North Vietnam was to be a free state. In 1949, French got support of the population by declaring Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia independent. Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia an independent state. French was receiving financial aid from America. French was receiving financial aid from America. Viet Minh was helped by new Chinese communist government. French troops were defeated. Indochina decided Vietnam was to be an independent state. After the French was defeated, Indochina decided Vietnam to be an independent state. Viet Minh controlled north. Bao Dai controlled south. Viet Minh controlled north and Bao Dai controlled the south. Cambodia and Laos were independent. Later, North Vietnam was under the communist with Ho Chi Minh as the president. South Vietnam was ruled by Ngo Dinh Diem. South Vietnam was ruled by Ngo Dinh Diem. North Vietnam was under the leadership of Ho Chi Minh as the president. South Vietnam depended on US support. South Vietnam depended on US support. The US bombed both north and south. US bombed both north and south. The fighters of North Vietnam trained in guerrilla warfare. South Vietnam depended upon US support. South Vietnam depended on US support. US bombed both North and South Vietnam. The fighters of North Vietnam trained in guerrilla warfare. They planned. They sustained the resistance without bowing to US. The American troops used bacteriological weapons, incendiary bombs, napalm, Agent Orange were used. The American troops used all these types of weapons. Vast areas of Vietnam was devastated, was destroyed. Hundreds of thousands of people were killed. The American forces too suffered heavy casualties. The armies of North Vietnam and South Vietnam thought routing the American supported troops of South Vietnam. By 30th April 1975, all the American troops had withdrawn and the capital of South Vietnam, Saigon, was liberated. So North and South Vietnam were formally united. The city of Saigon was renamed as Ho Chi Minh City after the great leader of the Vietnamese people. A small country had succeeded in winning independence and unification from the greatest power in the world, US, towards European Union, Council of Europe. One of the momentous decisions taken in the post-war II was to integrate the states of Western Europe. They wanted to unite the states of Western Europe. The Europeans wanted to prevent further European wars, to create an united Europe, to resist any threat from Soviet Russia, to form a third force in the world, to make full use of economic and military resources of Europe. In May 1949, 10 countries met in London and signed to form a Council of Europe. The headquarters is at Strasbourg. European Coal and Steel Community, ECSC. The European Defence Community and the European Coal and Steel Community were established. 6 countries, France, West Germany, Italy, Belgium, Holland and Luxembourg, belong to ECSC. Signed the Treaty of Rome with headquarters at Brussels. European Economic Community, EEC. European Economic Community eliminated barriers to the movement of goods, services, capital and labor. They threw the barriers out to the movement of goods, services, capital and labor. A common agricultural policy and a common external trade policy were evolved. Single European Act, SEA. Single European Act came into force on July 1, 1987. According to Single European Act, each member was given multiple votes depending on the country's population. Approval of the legislation required roughly 2/3 of the vote of all members. EU, European Union. The Maastricht, Netherlands Treaty signed on February 7, 1992 created the European Union. They signed the treaty and created the European Union. A common currency, euro, to replace national currencies. Today, the European Union has 28 member states and functions from its headquarters at Brussels, Belgium. Fall of Berlin Wall and the end of Cold War. The division of Germany was divided into West Germany and East Germany. West Germany under the Federal Republic of Germany. East Germany, German Democratic Republic. It was divided into 2. West Berlin economy became prosperous. West Berlin's economy became prosperous because they had the support of Marshall's Plan. The USSR had little interest in developing the economy of East Berlin. So West Berlin was prosperous and East Berlin was slowly developing. East Germany began to construct a wall in 1961, which cut off West Berlin from East Berlin. It was heavily guarded. USSR, Eastern European countries, was weakening. A mass of people assembled on 9th November 1989 on both the sides of the wall and began to demolish it. Germany was officially reunited on 3rd October 1990. The wall was constructed in 1961. The wall was demolished in 9th November 1989, and Germany was officially reunited on 3rd October 1990, a boundary between communism and capitalism. The fall of Berlin Wall followed the collapse of Soviet Union. The Cold War era came to an end. Disintegration of Soviet Union. In 1985, Mikhail Gorbachev took over as the head of USSR. But his commitment to reform, apart from opposition within the ruling Communist Party, did not match the resources available to USSR. It became necessary for the Soviet Union to allocate more funds to the military. So the USSR has to allocate more funds to the military. The increase in military budget further strained the Soviet economy. The year 1988 saw the first mass protest, first in Armenia and then in the Baltic states. Gorbachev made moves to stabilize his position by reliance on conservative forces in 1989 and 1991. By massive miners' strike, which came close to cripple the country's energy supplies. The East European communist states was in a deep economic and social crisis. The televised images of the shooting and the fall of Berlin Wall galvanized the process of breaking up of the communist world. Gorbachev made a last attempt to challenge Second Great Miners' Strike in 1991. Huge demonstration in Moscow. Conservative forces in his government attempted to take a hard line without Gorbachev. They used troops in Moscow to stage a coup and held Gorbachev under house arrest. But as a result, other military units refused to back them. As a result, power fell into the hands of Boris Yeltsin. The three Baltic states had formally left the Soviet Union. Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania. In November 1991, 11 republics, Ukraine, Georgia, Belarus, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Moldova, Turkmenistan, Tajikistan, and Uzbekistan, announced from the Soviet Union. They declared they would establish a commonwealth of independent states. On 25th December, Gorbachev announced his resignation. On 31st December 1991, it was formally dissolved. The USSR was no more. Come to the end of the session. Thank you.